Disconnecting published and linked Booking.com listings is a quick and easy action you can perform directly in Guesty. So let's see how it's done. Start by heading over to your Booking.com connected listings page and find the relevant listing you wish to disconnect. Click here, then disconnect, and confirm in the pop-up. When disconnecting a published listing, the property status on Booking.com will be changed to closed, while disconnecting a linked listing will deactivate the specific room type and will not affect any of the other rooms in the property. In both cases, guests won't be able to book or search for the disconnected listing. Keep in mind, even after disconnecting a published or a linked listing, Guesty will still be its connectivity provider on your Booking.com account. To change that, hover over here, click this icon, review the listings that will no longer have Guesty as their connectivity provider, and click here to approve. If you wish to remove the disconnected listing from your Guesty dashboard entirely after it is no longer set as the connectivity provider, click here, then remove, and confirm in this pop-up. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.